Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to transform this one into s to the power of 1 over 3 because the cube root that is about 1 over 3. The next one that is about 3 over number 5. Next we have the formula in here that is about the power rule of the derivative. So for example, we have y equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first derivative, we have ns to the power of n minus number 1. So if we do first derivative of s to the power of 1 over 3, we have 1 over 3s to the power of 1 over 3 minus number 1. So we put 1 over 3 go for n. That's why we change n into 1 over 3. This one we change by 1 over 3. And now we simplify. And we have 1 over 3 minus number 1. We have negative 2 over 3. And the second one, that is about 3 over 5 s to the power of 3 over 5 minus number 1. We simplify and we have negative number 2 over 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.